John 10:6. Jesus answered, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this trendy hairstyle that is going around. If you guys want to know how I did this, make sure you keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get straight into it. So guys, this hairstyle is literally trending. This is the diva braids, okay? This is the versatile braids that is going on around. This is such a cute hairstyle. So I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this hairstyle on myself. So as you guys saw, I did the usual, that is to part my hair from ear to ear, and then I would start with working with the back. I'm just gonna be doing normal knotless braids at the back. I wanted to do this like small to medium sizes so that it's not too big or too small, and I will just be using a pre-stretched expression and also a curly hair to achieve the goddess knotless braids at the back. So I just go ahead and attach the curly hair. This is the Cherish water wave curly hair, but guys, like I always say, it's always better to use human hair for this type of hairstyle. But if you can't afford the human hair, then just get something that doesn't get tangled easily, because for me, I just feel like human hair does it better. But I did try not to put too much of this water wave hair, because I do notice that they get really tangled easily and it can get frustrating sometimes. But because I don't usually keep my hair for too long, so I don't mind using this type of hair for tutorials. But if you want it to last and if you don't want it to annoy you or pee you off, then just use human hair if you can afford it. So as you guys can see, I'm just literally just doing it section by section, and I'm just doing the goddess braids at the back. So once I finish working with the back, we're gonna move on and start working with the front. This is the next day, guys. I was so tired. There was no way I was gonna finish this hair the same day. My eyes was, you could tell from my eyes that I was tired in that first recording. But yeah, so this is the next day. I am using the red one, edge control. You can use whichever edge control you feel comfortable with. So I'm gonna start working on this section. The first thing that I did is to do a normal braid, like a feeding Ken rolls. Usually with this style that I have seen, people were doing stitch braids, but for me, I couldn't achieve stitch braids with this hairstyle just because my hair type is way different and I just couldn't do it on myself, especially the sides of my hair. I mean, the side of my hair is really thin, so I just couldn't be bothered to do a stitch braids. But I just did a normal braiding. But at the end of the day, I mean, a normal Ken rolls, but at the end of the day, it's still the same hairstyle. I just didn't do stitch braids. So I'm just doing a normal feeding braids, and then I go in and attach the the curly hair. I do go ahead and add the curly hair at the front for every braid that I did at the front. So for this next part, I'm just going to be doing knotless braids. I'm going to do like 4 knotless braids, and I'm just parting my hair into triangle partings. Usually I do the normal box braids, but for this style, it was triangle partings that I saw. So that's what I'll be doing, and I'm just sectioning this into 4, and I'm doing a normal knotless braids. And like I said, I did go ahead and add the curly hair on every single one of them. Now I'm just moving on to the next, freestyle, and for this part I'll be doing like a crisscross, just two braids going across each other. So this is how I section it. I just like part two sections, and I just go in between those partings, and I separate them into two as well. So you guys should have something like this. I've already done one Ken rows already. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other Ken row. It's just like I said, a feeding braid, and I'm just going across that first feeding braid that I did. For this section, I'm just going to be doing a normal braiding, just a normal feeding Ken rows going back. And also guys, I know this video is a bit long. Usually I don't like to do like long videos, but I feel like when it comes to these type of hairstyles, you just want it to be very detailed and very easy for people to follow. So that's why I had to make sure I take my time to make sure that this video is very detailed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do another knotless braids for this section, and I think I did like 5 knotless braids for this part. Yeah, once I finish doing that, I'm just gonna move on to the other side, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing for the other side, and the middle section is just gonna be Ken rows. So I don't need to be talking too much. You guys just watch what I'm doing, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. yeah guys, as you guys can see, I'm doing the same thing on the other side. This hairstyle took me 3 days, and that's because guys, I was really tired and I didn't want to force it, and I also had clients in between, so literally I had to do my client's hair and also do my hair, so it does take a lot. Usually I like to finish my hair the same day, but for this hairstyle I just couldn't be bothered, guys. I just couldn't be bothered. It took me a lot longer just because I had other things as well, and obviously you guys know, being a mother as well, yeah, it's not easy. But I really love how this hair turned out, so I just went ahead and did the same thing on the other side. It's just the middle section I'm just gonna be doing feeding braids. So I am on the last can row now. I did go ahead and do 4 can rows in the middle section. And also guys, I have been struggling a lot again with my scalp. My scalp has just been doing a madness. I feel like I can't even get my part-ins to be like perfect, like neat the way I want it. Like it wouldn't make sense, because obviously when it's on, you know, camera or videos, it looks okay, but in real life guys, my scalp is really doing the most. Like I find it really hard when I'm doing my hair, especially parting my hair. I just find it so hard. Like those are the parts that you guys don't really get to see. I feel like one day I should actually do a proper video where you guys see me parting my hair, like from start to finish, like proper, because my scalp gets really sore and sometimes it does bleed in the process, but I still do this because I enjoy doing my hair. But I feel like my hair needs a break, guys. But yeah, this is the 3rd day. As you guys can see, I am going ahead to just curl the bottom part of the hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dip this in hot water just to get the ends to be curly. Once I finish doing that, you should be getting something like this. These are not like proper tight curls, but that's how I wanted it anyways, because I still wanted my hair to be long, so they're not like proper tight curls, and I love the way it turned out. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Keep It Curly mousse just to define the curls on this braids and to lay down any flyaways that I have on my braids, and I just go ahead and apply this everywhere. Then I go into work with my baby hair. I didn't really leave much hair at the front, but just to make everything neat and for the sides to be neat as well, I just go ahead and use the edge control just to, you know, lay down my baby hair. I just go ahead and add some mousse because I did have some of the edge control products on my hair, and I feel like even towards the end I still had some showing on my hair. But I did go ahead and use the olive oil as well to oil my scalp because my scalp was dry. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Even if you're not going to try it on yourself, you know, I believe this is an inspo for you to get this hairstyle done. Let me know what you guys think in the comment below, and also don't forget to turn on that notification bell to get notified for whenever I do post a new video. This hairstyle gives me holiday vibe. You know, I feel like this is a holiday hairstyle, and I'm here for it, guys. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you all in another video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're here for the first time, you're welcome to my mini family, and I hope you do subscribe. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.